everyone and welcome to the Ladakh News Bulletin, and here are the big headlines for today. A grand NCC ceremony was held at EGM College Leh, where the cadets were honored and ranks were conferred. The event was presided over by Professor Saket Kushwaha, Vice Chancellor of the University of Ladakh, with senior officials who were all present. RDC cadets and Mount Everest expedition participants were felicitated. Cultural performances marked the occasion, and a 2-minute silence was observed for Colonel Sonam Wangchuk. Next up, we have gladiators who won the Togdan Rinpoche Tournament 2.0 final by 144 runs at NDS ground. They scored a huge 284 for 6, led by Raja Salim's unbeaten 105 of 35 balls. In reply, the Predators managed 140 for 9 under the pressure. Salim also took 3 wickets, guiding a dominant all-round performance as gladiators who secured the title convincingly. Now next up, we have a book launch which was held at Islamia Public School Leh, highlighted the emerging young talent as student author Nufiza Nazir unveiled the book The Serene Aura. Chief guest Bhanu Prabha IAS stressed promoting the creativity in education. The event saw participation from officials and the civil society, reflecting the growing encouragement for literary pursuits among the students in the Ladakh alongside the academics. Deputy Commissioner Kargil Rakesh Kumar reviewed the progress under the aspirational block program in Karsha Zanskar, stressing the accurate data, field monitoring and the key departmental coordination. Key sectors including health, nutrition, education and infrastructure were all assessed. And during this whole thing, we would like to say that the officials were directed to address the gaps, improve the service delivery and ensure the timely updates, aiming for especially and effective implementation and sustained development in the remote block. Next up, University of Ladakh held an interactive session with Sandeep Miraglia on integrating the digital tools and the inclusive learning in the higher education. Faculty discussed the adapting teaching methods for emerging the technologies. Demonstrations of smart classroom tools highlighted the real-time assessments, and Vice Chancellor Saket Kushwaha emphasized expanding digital access, calling the session vital for improving the education quality in the remote regions. Next up, we have ahead of the April 19 recruitment exam, LAHD SSRB conducted a training program in Leh to ensure a smooth and transparent process. All the officials were briefed on the exam protocols, OMR handling and the discipline measures. Secretary Rahmatullah Bhatt stressed the proper accuracy, proper coordination and the strict monitoring, aiming to prevent the malpractice and ensure a proper credible exam and the credibility of the exam across the examination centers in whole Ladakh. Next up, we have in Ladakh's Dras region, authorities have led a developmental plan combining the water management, ecotourism and the developmental environmental protection. Deputy Commissioner Rakesh Kumar highlighted the projects like a proposed check dam on the Dras River and ecotourism in Mushko Valley. Next up, we have postgraduate students from the University of Ladakh who visited the Kargil's solid waste management plant, gaining the practical insights into waste segregation and the treatment. The visit properly highlighted the challenges like poor public compliance in the waste disposal. Students plan awareness campaigns to promote the proper segregation and reflecting the growth youth involvement in the protection of the environment as well as the sustainable practices which are required in that proper region. Now till then, Ladakh News Bulletin that's all, and now we will see you in the next video. Till then, you have to keep watching the Earth News Ladakh.